Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi Hanumantra Deshmukh, the student of Sri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science. The occasion of the World Fungus Day, we are going to take a glimpse on a topic general account of Zygomycotina. Contains systematic position, introduction, general characteristics, hyphae, habitats, classification, reproduction, life cycle and economic importance. Zygomycotina, systematic position, subkingdom Mycota, division Eumycota, subdivision Zygomycotina, class Zygomycetes. Introduction. Zygomycotina is an ecologically and economically important subdivision of Eumycota, true fungi, under GC Ainsworth system of classification. Zygos, joining of yolks. Wooden cross piece put on the neck of oxen or horses that is connected to laws they are pulling. The members of commonly known as conjugation fungi because of fusion of gametogaea that results into thick-walled sexual zygospore in their life cycle. Approximately more than 1015 known species even been reported. General characteristics. These are true fungi. They have well developed and haploid filamentous thallus. A few mycelia produce rhizoids. The cell wall is made up of chitin and chitosan. The cell wall is made up of chitin and chitosan. Also, there are certain destructive plant pathogens causing disease. The zygospore formation is the characteristic features in this fungus that contains sporopollenin, which present in the outer wall of spores. They are mostly terrestrial in habitat, living in soil or on decaying plant or animal material. They show sexual and asexual reproduction. Hyphae. There are three types of hyphae present in this fungi. Stolon. This is grow horizontally. Rhizoids. These are root-like structure present in tufts. They help in attaching mycelium to the substratum. Sporangiospore. These are present on the on specially unbranched hyphae which also grow as tufts. These are productive in nature as they bear sporangium. Second is habitats. They are found in mostly terrestrial habitat, that is on soil or decaying plant and animals, or maybe aquatic. They may be parasites on arthropods, plants on fungal hosts. They may also have symbiotic association. Subdivision Zygomycotina divide into two classes. Zygomycetes. The zygomycetes division into two classes include mostly terrestrial fungi. Most of zygomycetes have rapidly growing hyphae, but some are unicellular. They are generally coinocytes, but forming septa only where reproductive structure are formed. Zygomycetes carry out sexual reproduction by means of spore production in sporangia. They also produce thick-walled sexual structure called zygosporangia, which can remain in dormant for long periods. For example, Rhizopus, Absidia, Mucor. Second one is trimycocytes. Trimycocytes are obligately associated with an arthropod host. These fungi do not allow independently of their host live on land or in marine waters. Thallus are attached to the host by a hold fast that penetrates the lining of the gut or exoskeleton only and does not penetrate living tissue. Life cycle, it occurs three phases: haploid phase, second is diploid phase, and third is dikaryote phase. Plasmogamy. The plasmogamy of two myceli fuses together without the fusion of nuclei, forming two haploid nuclei in the same cells. Karyogamy. It occurs when two opposite strains of fungi fuse together to form of one diploid nucleus. Later they undergoes meiosis and form zygosporangium. This is the final step, favorable sporangiospore when conditions are favorable. Economic importance of Zygomycotina. Zygomycotina members are active decomposer in ecosystem. Few members are known as sugar fungi, being efficient spores on the carbohydrates, have significant role in carbon cycle as they are decomposers of plant animal material in soil. Lactic acid production, fumaric acid, alcohol, cheese from soybean, mycorrhizal association, biomycorrhizal control of insect pests. Thank you.